This is the traffic caused by what? Street food from in front of AUP all the way till PNPA. Grabe ba? Maybe it's even beyond this.
Sige pa!
Maybe this is until Lumil.
Sometimes.
Tagaytay. Last time we went.
Yeah, last time it was up until Tagaytay, I remember.
When?
When during the graduation.
Wow.
Entering Palengke, ganito na yung traffic. So I went around.
Oh yeah, we went around.
Right.
Oh no, we were going home that time, but this
No. At that time I was driving the aunties and
I wasn't there. The time that I was talking about is we turned right.
oh,
Sige pa!
oh, okay, it's still building.
Ubos.
Basta. Oh, Tartaria.
Hanggang dito po kami.
Ano to? Tartaria, di ba?